Welcome to the Book Like a Boss video website series. In today's video, we're going to be covering the content area of your Book Like a Boss website. To begin with, we're going to be at our site overview and click Edit Site to log into the editor. Once logged into the editor, about midway down on the sidebar, you see Content. You're going to go ahead and click on Content. Now that the Content panel is exposed, there are two important sections we're going to cover in today's video. The first is the Media Manager. When I click on the Media Manager, this gives me access to all of my website's assets, with exception to the words or the text that are on the pages. But all images, iconography, videos, audio files, and files will be housed in the Media Manager. On the left side, you can upload images directly from your computer or a connected device. In addition, we have the option to also import from an existing website or from one of these 5 online platforms: Facebook, Dropbox, Google Drive, Google Photos, and Instagram. So if you have images in any one of these services and you wish to import them into your Book Like a Boss website, that is easily done by connecting to that service. We also have a completely royalty-free image library available for all of our customers. It is important to note that this royalty-free library is intended for use on your website as opposed to printing them out and using them in other mediums. This library is also searchable. If I type in Texas, I can get all sorts of images of Texas and I can preview them in the right panel. Underneath free images, you have site images or the images that you have already uploaded, and then you have the opportunity to add folders and stay organized with your images. Clicking on icons, very similar functionality. You can upload icons. There is a completely royalty-free icon library. And then, of course, you can manage and organize the icons that you have utilized. Clicking into the video section, again, we can upload videos directly. And you'll be pleased to know that we also have a completely royalty-free and searchable video library for your use. Here I've searched Chicago, and over in the right panel, I can not only see the video, but I can preview it in action and see what it's going to look like if it plays on my website. Again, I can create folders to stay organized. Audio files and files, this is a bit more basic where you simply would upload them and then you could organize them through folders. So again, the Media Manager is your site's repository for all of the assets except the words. And the one big question we often get is, should I load my images into the Media Manager or should I load them onto the pages first? And really that is just your preference. Either will work, but it is important to note, if you load them onto the pages, they will automatically appear in your Media Manager. However, if you want to load 20 or 30 or 50 images into your site, going to the Media Manager is definitely going to be a more efficient way of doing that. So that is our first option under Media Manager, or under Content, in the Content section. Next up, we have Connected Data. You can see that this can open and close. So if you don't see the choices beneath that, just click on that little caret and then click on Business Info. Now, what this is going to help you do is help you with what's called local business schema or local searchability, right? And you can actually connect your Google business profile and it will connect to that data and pull it right in for you. So if you already have a GMB, you can connect one. And if you don't, certainly you would want to start one. But this is going to be applicable if you have a Google My Business or want one, and or if you have a physical address. And so you're going to want to take advantage of all of these panels: business name, business type, logo, location, phone numbers, emails, socials, everything about your business, right? There's even an opportunity for about text, company overview. You can add more text fields if you want to share more. And you also have an option for business images, and that would be things like your logo, your office waiting room, the front window, a patient exam room. It could be really anything of your business like that. If you happen to have more than one location and you want to enable this, at the very, very top under More Actions, you can also add another location. Once you've completed this information, you would simply click on Manage, And you can see in my example, it's telling me that I'm missing fields. But once you fill them all in and you don't have anything missing, you would click validate with Google. And then finally, you would enable schema. And what that's going to do is help keep your Book Like a Boss website and all of that information on your business in sync through what's called local business schema with services just like Google My Business. So that is the Book Like a Boss content area. It is accessed on the left bar under content, and that is where you will find the media manager. And again, for those that have a business address and or a GMB listing, the connected data components.